Rome, the staircase of time, unfolds before visitors the pages of history and culture. This ancient city, nestled at the heart of the Roman civilization, shines with an exquisite blend of the past and the present. As a spiritual center of the Catholic world, Rome guides those who set foot here through the sacredness of its unique architecture in churches and various spiritual landmarks. Simultaneously, the vibrant and colorful life on the streets and squares creates a living space, making Rome a vibrant canvas of Italian culture. From the unique flavors of its cuisine to the cozy atmosphere of its cafes, Rome encompasses all the distinctive features of Italian life. Festivals and special events bring a joyful and lively atmosphere to the city, creating a comfortable and friendly space for everyone. Rome, with all its goodness, is an endless adventure amidst cultural and historical icons, a place where the soul and imagination come alive. And now, here are the top 13 tourist attractions in Rome. Top 13, Colosseum. The Colosseum, an architectural marvel of ancient Rome, stands as an enduring testament to the grandeur and engineering prowess of the Roman Empire. This iconic amphitheater, with its monumental arches and imposing structure, once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, echoing with the cheers and roars of ancient crowds. As you step into the arena, you're transported back in time, imagining the epic battles and events that unfolded within its storied walls. Top 12, Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Wandering through the ruins of the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill is like stepping into a living museum of ancient Rome's political, social, and religious life. The Forum, once the bustling center of Roman life, showcases the remnants of temples, basilicas, and government buildings. Meanwhile, Palatine Hill offers panoramic views of the city and a glimpse into the opulent residences of emperors, providing a comprehensive journey through the heart of ancient civilization. Top 11, Vatican Museums and Vatican City. The Vatican Museums, a treasure trove of art and culture, house an unparalleled collection of masterpieces accumulated by various popes over the centuries. From the mesmerizing Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's frescoes, to the opulent halls of the Vatican Palace, every corner reflects the rich history and influence of the Catholic Church. Vatican City, the smallest independent state globally, encapsulates the spiritual heart of Catholicism, crowned by the awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica. Top 10, Pantheon. The Pantheon, a marvel of classical architecture, stands as a symbol of Rome's intellectual and artistic achievements. With its iconic dome and the open oculus, the Pantheon creates a breathtaking interplay of light and space within its hallowed halls. Originally dedicated to all the gods of ancient Rome, it has evolved into a powerful representation of the city's enduring cultural legacy. Top 9, Trevi Fountain. The Trevi Fountain, a Baroque masterpiece, is not merely a stunning work of art but a living tradition that engages visitors in a symbolic ritual. Tossing a coin over your shoulder into the fountain ensures your return to Rome, making this iconic landmark a perpetual source of wishes and dreams. As the water cascades over intricate sculptures and reliefs, the Trevi Fountain captivates with its timeless allure. Top 8, National Roman Museum. The National Roman Museum, with its multiple branches, serves as a captivating repository of Rome's extensive history. Each exhibit within the museum's walls offers a glimpse into the daily lives of ancient Romans, from intricately crafted sculptures to artifacts that reveal the city's social, economic, and cultural evolution over the centuries. It's a comprehensive exploration of the city's past that enriches the understanding of its multifaceted legacy. Top 7 Capitoline Museums. Perched atop Capitoline Hill, the Capitoline Museums present a curated collection of art and artifacts that reflect the city's enduring cultural significance. Designed by Michelangelo, the museums boast sculptures, paintings, and archaeological treasures, including iconic pieces like the Capitoline Wolf. The museum complex provides an enriching experience, showcasing Rome's artistic prowess through the ages. Top 6 Basilica di Santa Maria Maggiore. The Basilica di Santa Maria Maggiore, one of Rome's 4 major basilicas, is a masterful fusion of architectural grandeur and spiritual reverence. Adorned with opulent mosaics and frescoes, the basilica narrates stories of religious devotion and artistic mastery. The awe-inspiring interior and sacred ambience make it a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the bustling city. Top 5 Trastevere Neighborhood. Trastevere, with its narrow cobblestone streets and medieval charm, offers a delightful escape into the soul of Rome. This bohemian neighborhood is a haven for authenticity, featuring artisan shops, local markets, and an array of authentic trattorias. Exploring Trastevere provides a genuine Roman experience, where the pace is relaxed, and the atmosphere is imbued with a sense of community. Top 4 Galleria Borghese Museum. Housed in the former Villa Borghese, the Galleria Borghese is a gem for art aficionados. The intimate setting allows visitors to immerse themselves in masterpieces by renowned artists such as Bernini, Caravaggio, and Raphael. Each sculpture, painting, and decorative arts piece tells a story, contributing to the narrative of Rome's artistic heritage. Top 3 Castel Sant'Angelo. Originally commissioned as a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian, Castel Sant'Angelo has transformed over the centuries into a multifaceted monument. From mausoleum to fortress, prison, and now a museum, its storied history unfolds as visitors explore its ramparts and chambers. The strategic position along the Tiber River offers breathtaking panoramic views of Rome, creating a captivating blend of history and spectacle. Top 2 Spanish Steps. The Spanish Steps, a monumental staircase, ascend gracefully from the Piazza di Spagna to the Trinità dei Monti Church. Beyond their architectural significance, the steps are a cultural hub, often bustling with locals and visitors alike. Lined with designer boutiques, charming cafes, and vibrant blooms, the Spanish Steps provide an elegant backdrop to social interactions and a serene retreat in the heart of the city. Top 1 Piazza Navona. Piazza Navona, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, is a vibrant square teeming with life and artistic splendor. Adorned with fountains, sculptures, and surrounding cafes, the square is a microcosm of Roman culture. Street performers and lively conversations create an atmosphere that invites both contemplation and engagement, making Piazza Navona a dynamic focal point in the heart of Rome's historic center.